Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
Welcome back. In the previous task, we have seen how to manage collections. In this task, we're going to create gift cards. So on the left-hand side menu, click Gift Cards. Here we have two options to manage digital gift cards. You can either sell gift cards, which essentially will be one of your products. So on top of your t-shirts, you can actually sell different cuts of gift cards, or you can send codes to your own customers. For example, in a holiday time or for a customer birthday, you could send gift cards to them so that they have a nice birthday gift or holiday gift from your site. Let's start with selling gift cards. Click Sell Gift Card, and this will automatically create a gift card product page. Here can be the gray t-shirt shop gift card, for instance, and you have a special gift card for a special friend. Great, now we have a picture, we can add a file, and from our resources, get the gift icon and open. Now you can give different cuts, so we have different denominations, $10, $25, $50, or $100. This will be enough. Your product status can be changed to active, as a gift card is a product in all types, and your product type can be marked as a gift card. Now that we're happy with this, we'll save the gift card product, and the product will be part of our catalog. So on top of the t-shirts, we can sell gift cards. Excellent. Let's go back now and have a look at sending gift cards. As you have now this in your stock, by going back to your gift card section, you can see that you have the sales reports for the gift cards. You can switch the gift card products, but you can also issue a gift card with this button or down here in the home page. That means that you can send a gift card to your own customers. So you click, it will generate a gift card. You can set an expiration date or not have any. Let's say that you have an expiration date of 1 year, and you can send this to a customer. After you complete this, in the Find or Create the Customer, you will search for your client here and save it. This gift card will be sent right away to your customer with the email address or phone number that you have in your customer details. In one of our next tasks, we will have a customer management section, so you can see how to create customers there, and the gift card will become available to your existing clients. In the next task, we'll talk about editing your web storefront. So we'll create our homepage and edit the web store. See you there.